students in the online classes. Today we are going to study our first chapter, that is classification and its needs. So children, in the picture you can see that there are varieties of organisms living around us. So these are the plants are growing in the garden, and this is also growing in the garden, whereas some in the crop field. You can see the picture of rice field here. These are grown in the field. These are the pictures of wheat field. And some plants are grown and are very microscopic that you cannot see from your naked eyes, like the example of algae. So living organisms exhibit a lot of similarities and dissimilarities in their shape, size and structure. You can see in the picture here, like the bodies of deer, moose and zebra are very similar, and so they are closely related. So children, in order to study them systematically, we have grouped them according to their characteristics. You can see in the picture, animals with backbone are categorized in a one group and animals without backbone are categorized in the other group. So these kind of classification help us to understand and study the living organism. So the branch of biology that deals with the classification is called as taxonomy. You can see in the picture. Proceeding to the advantages of classification, you can study here that it helps us to study a large variety of living organisms with ease and systematically. So if they are arranged in a group, for us it will be very easy to understand their characteristics. And second, the second one, it helps us to place a new species found under a suitable category. Means if a scientist or a botanist find a new species, so they have to categorize it and put it under a group. So if a classification is based, they can easily put that species under a particular category. So in this way, it helps us to place a new species under a suitable category. It helps or enable us to understand the process of evolution from simple organism to more complex one. And the next one is interrelationship between different organism, or establish a relationship between a closely related various groups of organism. For example, features of animals that share similar physical and genetic sequences leads to a closely related as that of, you can see in the picture, wings of bat and arms of human have homologous structure, means similar. Okay, so they bear a relationship or closely related relationship with each other. You can see in the picture the homologous structure of a human arm and the wings of the bat. So today we have studied about the classification and its need. Thank you. In the next audio we will study further.